Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bitcoin, what's going on with the main crypto now, and the UMA. Let's dive in. Guys, I hope you didn't skip the old post about UMA because of the first one and the main plan. I shared even in October 2023, and the last updates I shared at the end of January. This one, what next after 250% pump, and I market this block because it's absolutely the same block what we got here. We can come back and close it because I showed you on the daily time frame we've been so overhyped. Almost all indicators that time here showed we trade way over axis line. So I hope you didn't hop in at $6 or even at a $7 because it was a really bad decision to hop in and need to wait always the better entry. For Bitcoin, what I don't like personally, we didn't close the 50% of this weekly gap. So we got this one, around 53K and 59. So we drop, but at this line, it's around 56.90. The monthly open was 60K 651, and we almost retested this one. So would be good to see, of course, retest of this block like a full fill. So this is a daily gap. 59,632 will be just a perfect retest, close and move on. Why I mark this block? It was just a local trade 4-hour time frame. We sweep this high and almost test 50% of 4-hour gap. So this gap basically is still relevant. And personally, what I'm waiting from Bitcoin, the best scenario personally for me, if we crash it down once again, sweep this low, once again test 50% of weekly gap and continue rally higher. Because globally, I shared you, we trade just in one big range. So if it's a range, you know, this one. So we got a deviation at the bottom. So also possible scenario if something like this one and form deviation at the top. And unfortunately, the bad scenario, we can trade even the full summer at this range. For UMA, globally, all targets absolutely relevant. So we just come back inside 27 block. Everybody who accumulated during the May 2022 till breaking out in January 2024, we just come back to almost to your entry. Next global targets for UMA is sweep of this top is 1335. These feet basically are relevant, and I draw just a hypothetical trend line. I don't think so that you may gonna hit a new all-time high, but most likely we're gonna test at least 2661. So this one. So from low, this one, let's mark this like a low. It can be around 3,000% gains. Yes. So it's more than real to see. This one is gonna be 2,000% gains and 3069, it can be like 2,400. If you believe in new all-time high, the new all-time high for UMA is this one, $65. It's 5,000% gains from around 5,000% gains from the low. So even on the weekly time frame, we're just trying out of this block. If we will see once again some capitulation on a market, yes, unfortunately we can sweep this low again, $1.20. I think we will not drop so low because from this current price, it can be even from this today high, it's like 73% down, but everything possible. I'm more positive for all altcoins. Weekly gap done, so we can close even lower than the full fill. Monthly, this block all closed. So now we got two options, or we drop from this price and sweep this low. So in this area, you can easily buy this coin because we are in everything what is inside a 27 block. It's okay time for accumulation, right? Weekly time frame, we start forming like a triangle, right? So we got a support. This was just hypothetical support. This one. Now it's like rejection, right? So we can build, maybe by end of June, we can trade in this range, then breaking out, retest and going higher. So just mark your entry, mark your exit. And like you can see, we got a huge seller pressure. And for some reason, somebody don't want to see the UMA now breaking out. So maybe not a time. So we drop it down, close the full fill on a weekly time frame, close the full fill on a daily time frame, and breaking out 18 level by FIB, global one. Now we try and hold the line here. So retest again is going to be like $2.82 or $3.04. In this block, you can once again trying to buy this coin. Let's take a look with Macassim Indicator SAR, what's going on. Maybe we'll see some positive signals here. Weekly time frame. I showed you why it's bad idea to hop in on UMA that time in January, because we've been in so overhyped zone. It was accumulation. It was so overhyped zone. So now we a little bit come down. So I would like to see the accumulation like it was here, August, March, January. Now we're just in the middle. So yes, we have all chances, drop it down once again inside accumulation block. This is accumulation on a weekly on direction. This is accumulation on a weekly. Now no signal to sell or buy. But based on ADZ, you could see the signals to overhyped zone. It was the time to out of this coin, even locally on the weekly time frame. Market mode. Like you remember, this is depression, this is euphoria, it's time to out. Now we come down a little bit to positive optimism to this zone. But we need to see, once again, the depression zone, capitulation, to start accumulate aggressively. So now it's not a crazy time for accumulation, right? Let's take a look on money power. Here was a money inflow in August, here was a money outflow. No new signal to money inflow once again. Last two indicators trade on a weekly time frame. We got a signal for accumulation, pump. Last time from that signal, we pump like 472. Now we got a signal to sell, drop. Two signals to accumulate position in row. So it's more than okay. It's positive. And the last indicator is take profit, what I shared in the last video. And why do I think so? We can drop because we pump it way higher exit line. Usually it's not some bullish signal. We have to always, almost in 90 cases, we come back and retest exit line, take profit line, and maybe even the buy line. So the buy line on a weekly now it's $1.52. And the fundamental price of this coin is $1.14. I don't think so we'll drop to fundamental price, but yes, we have a chance to drop to $1.52, 53. On a weekly time frame. Daily time frame, we already retested. So take a look. Pump way over exit line, and we come back till penny retests the fundamental value of the coin. Absolutely pretty the similar picture now on DuoDX. But yes, we have all chances once again drop to weekly the buy line. So guys, be careful. Globally, everything more than positive for this token, I think. And trade on a daily, you could track everything by yourself. It was a signal to sell, so you could open even short position till take profit. So this was 56%, just a local swing trader, with leverages here. $2.54, we got a signal to close all short. Now we got a local two signals in row, almost in row, to buy. So it was like 86% pump. So guys, just be careful with your position now, because if we will see the capitulation, if you want to accumulate more UMA, you can wait the test of the buy line on a weekly time frame. It will be the really good confirmation for continuation. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with Macassim Indicator SAR, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.